This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gary Bunting. Immaculate 3-bedroom brick ranch in desirable Chadswyck Terrace neighborhood. Chittum Elementary and Western Branch High School districts. Meticulously renovated. Kitchen renovation includes all new cabinetry, granite countertops, tile backsplash, flooring, lighting, and new stainless steel appliances. New HVAC system includes 2-stage heat pump for efficiency in cool weather and gas heat for cold weather. All new duct work. Fresh paint and new lighting throughout. Refinished hardwood floors. One owner home has been meticulously maintained since new. Must see to appreciate. For more information, review the details below.